A flower arrangement can be anything but a bouquet. I have a YouTube video from the 2024 flower show featuring large-scale and enormous arrangements. The description of this video contains an article you can reread. The online floristry course, From Hobby to Business, contains interesting information. Today, we'll look at this arrangement and identify its shortcomings so we don't repeat the same mistakes. The Indian summer arrangement signifies a fruitful period. The beautiful beginning of autumn with its colors, but it quickly passes. The arrangement on the stand can be anything. Here, in a wicker basket, it can be round, square, oval, or triangular, and of varying volumes and heights. The base, which holds the floral foam and prevents water leakage, can also be made of any material: plastic, ceramic, concrete, or glass. To save money, use old food packaging. Floral foam is also known as oasis, piaflor, or floral sponge. Piaflor is a synthetic material used by florists to create long-lasting floral arrangements because it absorbs and holds large amounts of water, nourishing cut flowers and holding them securely in place. Proper use involves soaking the floral foam in water. Do not submerge it completely. It should absorb the water and sink to the bottom. To retain moisture, you can wrap it tightly in a plastic bag. To prevent the floral foam from wilting and drying out, it's best to find a stand and add water to it or wrap it tightly in plastic wrap to retain moisture. Then secure it to the frame, the base of the arrangement, with self-adhesive floral tape. Usually green. Green floral foam is designed for fresh flowers, while beige is for artificial and dried materials, flowers and branches, pine cones, woven straw balls, or any other additions to the arrangement. Secure the base and any other additions to the arrangement with self-adhesive floral tape. For example, wicker baubles, Christmas ornaments, or any homemade items can be strung onto the stem so no one can see what they're attached to. Then, once the base is ready, insert sprigs of fresh greenery or similar plants into the floral foam and mark the outline and height of the arrangement. Immediately note the height and volume. You can double the height and add another half width on each side of the basket to increase volume. For stability, the stand can be weighted with a stone or brick at the base or secured in the center under the floral foam and decorated. Description of this arrangement: yellow and red, complementary colors, pink, burgundy, and orange. The color combination can be anything from a single color to shades, tones, and contrasts. It's single-sided, not visible from the other side and placed near a window. Freestanding, asymmetrical, the flowers and fruit are distributed differently, forming an oval shape. Proportions: the height should be approximately 1.5 to 2 times the height of the stand. Flowers: hydrangea, roses, chrysanthemums, sedum. Fruits: pomegranate and rose hips. Leaves: the centerpiece is the most beautiful flower, the focal point: roses, hydrangea, and pomegranate. Composition rule: first insert the greenery, then the flowers into the spaces between them. This way, using the greenery to define the shape, you can create multiple layers, both internal and external. Now arrange the flowers at any angle. The hanging leaves should cover the edges of the basket base. Portable baskets are gift baskets. Leaves, twigs, and greenery cover the edges. And here they are asymmetrical and part of the composition. First, do not pile the prepared flowers in a heap. Do not crush the petals, although this is, of course, necessary for the composition in the photograph. Secondly, different planes in space are acceptable, but different levels are also acceptable. Third, don't arrange the flowers too low or too high, as the used flowers won't be visible. They'll be roughly at eye level, which is unnecessary waste. Fourth, a free-form arrangement is, again, a matter of taste and imagination. I can't say for sure whether I like it or not. The plants in the arrangement should be watered daily. If the room is hot, water more often. You can use regular water from a spray bottle to add humidity. The decoration of the arrangement depends on current trends or fashion. The easiest way is to make a bow or bows. Here are video tutorials on how to use plastic ribbons, satin ribbons, and add embellishments or various decorative elements, such as butterflies, feathers, and stickers. Toppers are decorative elements, lettering, numbers on a stem or stick that are placed on top to create a focal point. If you liked it, please like, subscribe, and join us. Book